Howdy, folks. Hope you're having a great day today. All right, couple of quick announcements before we get started. Reminder, you need to fill out the grade survey if you want to opt into getting a letter grade. That survey is an assignment on Schoology at the very top of our classroom page. So fill that out if you would like to opt into a letter grade. Just another reminder, our unit exam, the last test that we are going to take in the class is going to be on Wednesday, May 27th. We are not having a cumulative final. It is just the forces and motion exam. Now, just a quick reminder, the exam will be available from Wednesday, May 27th until Friday, May 29th at 3 p.m. You get 2 attempts at the exam, okay? 2 attempts. You need to take it at least once, but you will keep the higher score that you get. Each attempt will have different questions. We will have a review for the test on Tuesday, May 26th. Another note, all assignments must be turned in by Friday, May 29th at 3 p.m. This includes tests, retakes, quick quizzes, labs, everything. I will not accept nor grade anything after 3 p.m. on Friday, May 29th. Then there's no exceptions to this. So I sent out an email with this information today, so you do not have an excuse to not know that. All right. We are going to do a lab today using a gizmo, and it is over Newton's laws. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to access the materials for the lab right now. Alrighty, folks, so I'm going to walk you through how to do the lab today. So first off, there is a how-to video in the folder that you can look at. I will tell you that is from Miss Gauker. And her setup is just a little bit different than our setup here, but it does effectively go over the same thing. So feel free to watch that. It'll walk you through the actual gizmo itself as well. So feel free to check that out. But here's what you need to know. You're going to click on this link right here. And what that's going to do is it's going to take you to the Google document. Now, which is the assignment. Now, you are not going to be able to type on this document. So what you're going to do is you're going to need to make a copy. So click this right here, and that will take you to Google Docs. And what you're going to do is you're going to click File, and then you're going to click Make a Copy. And you can name it whatever you want. So once you have made a copy of the assignment, there you go. Now you are going to be able to type on the assignment and do everything that you need to do. You will go to explorelearning.com. The username is SCI2019 and the password is capital S Science123. So watch the video that Ms. Gauker posted in order to see how to do the gizmo if you want more instructions there, but it is pretty it's pretty straightforward and you should be able to figure it out. Now, here's the important thing. You need to go through and complete the lab because as you go through and do each part, it's going to give you more context and help you understand what it is doing and how Newton's laws apply. Now, here's the important thing that you need to know. When you reach the very end of the lab, this right here, the conclusion is, how does this experiment demonstrate Newton's second law? Explain using the data you collected. You need to write a paragraph here and make sure that you reference the data from the lab to explain Newton's law using this experiment. Once you have finished that, you will copy what is in this box and you will head back over to Schoology, and in the folder you will find an assignment called Attendance Newton's Second Law Lab Conclusion. You'll click on that and it'll take you to this. You will paste what you wrote for the conclusion on the lab here and submit that. This will be what is graded. It is worth 5 summative points, and I need to very clearly see that you understand what happened in the lab, and you need to reference data. So, as I said, this is worth 5 summative points, so make sure you take your time with this. So, if you have any questions, please let me know.